Hello and welcome to our prototype video. In this video, I'm going to show you that our prototype on the GIS based urban water logging risk dashboard. So this is our dashboard to see that the water logging status of Dalip, which is based on the past historical database. So on hovering, you can see that the risk level, risk code, rainfall index, drainage index, and elevation index like information. And on the left side, you can see the search bar where you can type the ward name and just go directly to the ward. Let's say ward 21. You can go to 21 on the basis of 23. So this is our prototype. And on going to that ward, you can see all the informations. On the basis of that, you can take any preventive measures like cleaning of drainage system and other kind of things.